Man, I don't know what to do. What can we do today? Oh, wait a minute. Hello gentlepeople, Jeff here, welcome back to the channel. I got a little idea. I was looking at these Christmas decoration that I've done last time. That's the only one that I have left. But then it kind of felt like a hot air balloon. So I went and made a couple. These little fellas, hot air balloon, different patterns, you know. They're flying around. So that's what we'll do today. So yeah, let's get cracking. Let's get some wood. So what do we need for this? We need a piece of wood, a pencil, we need a ruler, one knife, and if you can, a little strop, a good pair of gloves, a couple paintbrush, and a bunch of paint. If you can, take the strap the knife. Good, that was quick. Then we take the piece of wood, show the measurement, 3 inch by 1 1/4 by 1 1/4, or in metric, 8 centimeter by 3 by 3. Then we put a line, maybe 1 inch. Put my finger here, and I will take my pencil and put some lines. Should look like that. Then for the top and the bottom, I will eyeball, placing my finger on the side, placing my pencil. I'll make a line and keep the same distance and go around. Should look like a big tic-tac-toe. We'll do the same thing at the bottom. Good, that's it for the line. From there, we take our favorite knife and then we chip away the corners. Should look like this. We'll remove the sides. And we'll do the same thing on the side here. We're making a lot of wood. So you see the lines here? We'll try to keep this inner square at the top and the bottom. I guess you get the gist. So thanks to the magic of editing, I will do that really fast. Remember that it's always easier to cut on a corner than a flat. Whee! Alright, that looks like the square we had. We'll do the same thing all the way to the bottom. Quite is a bit harder because you have way more wood to cut, but keep on going. Make sure you check at the bottom so you can follow the square like we've done at the top, and keep on cutting. Okay, it should look like this. As you can see right now, it doesn't really look like a hot air balloon, right? It's a bit square. First thing first, pop the corners, round that up a bit. Then we need to round the top, so pretty much in the middle. We'll pop more corners. But it's not round enough, so we're gonna shave. Okay, it's a bit more rounded. Got more corners. Like so, starting to be a bit round. Okay, for the bottom part, we will just do one cut to remove the edge. Like so. Alright. So that's the general shape of it. Gonna take our pencil again. Gonna make a little line at the bottom. Couple of mil max. Gonna make another line a little bit higher. It's up to you to decide. Maybe 1 centimeter, something like this. Okay. And the same distance here, we'll put that there. Take your knife again, and we'll do a lot of little V-cuts all along the side. At the bottom. Here at the top, the first line, we'll do a stop cut, not a V-cut this time. We'll cut towards it all along. Then the other line, V-cut. Should look like that. Now we'll do the windows. Well, windows. Make a little line at a 3/4 on each front facet. Okay. Then we'll do a stabby cut on the side, all the way to the line, like this. So when you're done on all sides, with the tip of your knife, we'll go one in the corner here, pop that thing off, flip around, one in the corner here, and then really gently, don't push too much, we'll do one, because you're with the grain here, so it would be really easy to shove way too much wood. And then another one in here. And here it is. You have your little window. We'll do that 3 more times. There it is, on each side. And then that's the last part, because that's a really easy carving. And then from here it's really up to you to choose the pattern. Like you see, I've done 2 different ones. I think this time I feel like just doing horizontal line. Like so. And then we'll do a lot of V-cuts all the way. It should look like this. Simple enough. One last thing that is important to do is sign your carving. I never talked about it in one of my videos, but I do that all the time. Put your mark. You never know what happens. A little J, a little F. And now the painting. I have a lot of colors. Not exactly sure which color I should take. Yellow. Yeah, good idea. Let's make a little yellow one this time. Oh, yeah, I'm done. Look at this. I have to tell you, it's pretty warm up here. I hope your carving station is not in the attic when it's 30 Celsius outside. So here we are. That's the little one we've done today. Almost turned it into a bumblebee. Would have been great, but I kind of liked it. It's really cool. So if I compare the 3 of them together, as I always do, that's how they look. Simple, right? I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was simple. And I really hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye bye.